Hello everyone. I have a very limited edition car to show you. It's the Land Rover Defender 110 2020 year model. It is from Almost Real. I'm very excited to show this. This is 1:18 scale model from Almost Real and one of the most expensive model that I have so far. I've been a collector for the last 15 years. Let's do the unboxing and the review of this vehicle. I'll just show you the box first. Here is the mesh grille design. Defender written on the box, Almost Real. The licensing, manufactured in China. Nice little locks of Defender. Let's just take this baby out. So this is the roof pack addition. I'll just talk about it in a bit. The whole instruction manual. This is the serial number of the vehicle. We'll just get back to that later on. This is the whole roof. It has the roof, it has the side accessories box, a small ladder, the front bumper. All of this just gets fixed on the vehicle through magnets, little tiny magnets. There is another lock on this side. So let's open up the vehicle. Oh wow, isn't it gorgeous? Wow, this is great. It's just awesome. The detailing is just spot on. Looks like a very true vehicle. Does not look like a scaled down version. The steel rims, they look really awesome. They look gorgeous. You can see this small Land Rover badging over here. Again on this side, as you can see. The Alpine windows on the top, the sunroof, and just have a look inside. I'll just open up this whole vehicle and continue with the video soon. Okay guys, so we are back. This is the unboxed version, completely unboxed. So it's a very small detail. The screwing mechanism is very simple and Almost Real. You don't require a screwdriver as such. You just have to open it with your bare hands. It looks so wonderful. Wow. I just wanted to peel this off so that you can also enjoy and have the unboxing feeling. This is actually the snorkel given as an accessory. I'm just using it to open up the door. Wow. Just look at the detailing that they have given. Supreme. By the way, did you know this is the first Defender in the history of Land Rover, which was built on a monocoque chassis, aluminum chassis completely, instead of the leather-on frame Defenders built earlier. So it's more stable, more rugged. I really love this steel rims. It looks very much hard, solid. Just did not like one small thing. The alignment could have been a bit better. It's mainly due to the door hinges. It's still manageable. So I'm just nitpicking. This is the tailgate, and that is also openable. This is a 5-seater version, as you can see. Good amount of storage space. Spare wheel is mounted really well. Same story on the other side. Having some difficulty to open with the snorkel. Using my nails to do the job. This color looks really gorgeous on this car. This mesh detail is also very true to the real car. So wonderfully done by Almost Real. I really appreciate kind of detailing, intricate detail that they've brought out in this vehicle. The Defender name shining. I have to be very careful with the hinges because these are very delicate ones. Wow, this is as far as it can go. The engine bay is also shown very well. You can see the little warning signs. I don't know if the camera is able to do the justice. Those little warning signs that you can see on the real car. Even a small Land Rover badging over there. The camera system and the ADAS system in the real car. It's very well made. The fog lamp. I'll just put on the accessories so that you can just see how well does it look, the whole accessories. Wow, this is so easy. This is just magnetic. So to snap it on, it just sticks there. This looks very well. Just try. Looks pretty, right? This leather is actually very heavy. It's not plastic, it's very heavy. It's made of metal, openable leather that you can stick over here. And the snorkel, I have to just take out the small vent over here to do that, so I'm not doing it right now. I hope you get the idea. This looks pretty awesome, rugged, ready for adventure. So hope you like this video, and if I have to rate this diecast model from Almost Real 1:18, I would rate it 9.5 out of 10. It's so damn good. If you have to ask me what was the price that I bought this for, I bought it for 31,000 rupees INR. Do you think it's worth that money? Well, I think so, considering the model it is, the kind of detailing that they have done, and it's actually heavy. You can only feel it when you actually have it physically in your hand. It's heavy. I really love the detailing that they have done. All the elements, they come out really well, and the roof pack, it just a cherry on the cake. I hope you liked it, and do share your appreciation through your likes, and I would upload more videos. Thank you so much. Here are some pictures for your reference.